It's Enzo.
Eagle! Eagle!
That's our national bird.
The king of birds, it's the prince. Beats all the other eagles except the ancient birds. That's what you can see. The strongest in modern times.
Yes. This day we experienced a lot of aftershocks, no? Why do you think we have we have earthquakes?
Because it's hot and it's affecting our core. And look at this. And it's affecting the core, and the core produces more heat in the outer, and in the heat, like, ginagalaw niya ang tectonic plates, and yung tectonic plates, they're the one creating it. Most of it, every time, most of the time nasa lumahilit ako doon. Sometimes lang mahirap ang panahon. And we're here. Hey, back me out.
It's super dry.
Jumping. No, maybe. The same mistake Levin did. Tata made the same mistake. Sai, you want me to come there too?
Go there, you mean?
Sai, you want me to go there too?
Oh, go get it.
There.
Di ba para sa tatay na?
Like this. Revive.
Wow! So huge.
Wow!
It's bigger than my head.
Really? Yeah, oo nga.
Living, don't go down.
Oh.
Let me jump there. Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, careful, careful tatay. Careful, Nos.
Taipei 5 million have that. Oh no.
Oh, oh, ah.
It's bigger than my head.
Of course.
Dana! Wow! Wait, guys, do you know the name of this fruit?
What is it?
It's called a Cape gooseberry.
Oh.
And this is macahiya.
Yes.
Everyone dies.
Why is it makahiya?
It's
You know?
when you touch it.
What?
Yes.
Oh.
Cheers.
Oh
Ay,
my,
may bayabas. Oh, sarap. Yes, oh.
pay 5 million for it.
Oh.
Oh, dami.
Wow. You know that, anak? You know that fruit?
Never.
Masarap yan, anak. Yes.
See?
It's
This
a
is
guava.
this is
Very good adding.
native. Kaya masamis sa anak.
Native, di manok yan.
Native guava, anak.
Native guava. Hindi lang yung native na manok.
Come on, Tay. Let's explore deeper areas.
Careful.
Bye, Tay.
Oy, don't go there, anak.
No, anak.
Anak. Are you alive? Lazy. Bango.
Can I take?
Yes, mami.
It smells like your mom.
Did you taste my mom?
Taste them, Mom.
Sarap.
Have water, please. Thank you, Hufflepuff. Oy, alala, banana! Oo nga. Looks like the moon or a croissant.
Yes.
Ay, kunwari kinakain ko. I'm eating a croissant. This is made in France and I'm going to France and I eat a croissant before I go home. Hey guys, let's later all of us will go there.
Really? I don't know where it is.
No,
Yes,
only
Papa.
in this area. I Papa love this one.
Yeah.
What?
That's out the Can I try? Where did you find those? That's not. Oh no, I think we're only supposed to get a few of them, and then we'll plant them at home.
They're over there po.
So that we could. I'm in a field of that. That's a fat one. I found a fat one. Where's Bob? I got Bob out. Ayun! You want Bob's? These are all mine. Here's Bob. Stop getting from me. Here's Bob. This guy's name is Bob. Mommy pop Bob. No, he'll die. Mommy. Ooh, look guys, there's seeds. We'll plant them at home. If it can actually grow. 3, 2.
Told you Nanay will check up.
Let's go, let's go. Careful, anak, ha? Ganito po, kapag wala na pong makain, naghahanap po kami ng maluluto at makakain. Nag-i-ikos na po kami. Ang taas pa ng araw. Intanat. Sabi natin, gargado atay. Yeah, straight, Levin. Levin, go straight. Much better. Much better kay kuya.